Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my hair today. So if anyone's familiar with hot oil treatments, it's very good for dry, brittle, damaged hair. My hair isn't damaged, but it is dry. As you can see, it's very dry, especially after I blew dry my hair out and I had my hair straightened previously before that. So I need some life back into these dry curls, as you can see. So the hot oil treatment is good for that. And if anyone hasn't had a hot oil treatment before, it's really good to bring moisture back into your hair, and that's what I'm doing today. So stay tuned for those results. And before I get into that video, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so you're not missing out on any of my upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Okay, so if anyone hasn't done a hot oil treatment before, you do have to wash your hair prior to putting in the hot oil treatment because your hair has to be fully cleansed, and you don't want any buildup product in your hair because the hot oil treatment is basically not going to penetrate to your scalp like you want it to. So you want your hair to be fully cleansed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hair first, and I'm going to use As I Am Pomegranate Passion Fruit Co-Wash. I love this. At first I used to use the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash, but if you have watched my previous videos, you know that coconut does not do well with my hair. So had to cut that out. But I do like their pomegranate As I Am. So yeah. So I know you guys can tell my hair is super dry, and when it is dry and it shrinks up like this, guess what? There's a lot of tangles in there. So what I like to do first, before I wash my hair fully with the shampoos and stuff, I do like to rinse my hair thoroughly with the water just so that my curls can loosen up, because I do not like to go through the detangle process when my hair is dry. I like to loosen up those curls because you don't want to detangle your hair when your hair is dry, because that causes damage and breakage to your ends and cause more split ends. And I came too far to get my hair like this to go revert back to damaged hair. So as you guys can see, I'm just rinsing the water thoroughly throughout my hair, like I said, to loosen up those curls and to make the detangle process much easier. The consistency is really thick. So if anyone is familiar with As I Am products, then you'll definitely be a fan like I am. I love, love, love their products. I have been using their products since I transitioned, but over time I had to switch it up, and now I'm using the pomegranate co-wash. And that's because my hair does not do well with coconut. Anything coconut doesn't do well with. So I am using the pomegranate one, and I love it. I love how it smells. I love how smooth my hair feels after using this product. It is the best. So if you haven't used it, please go out and get it, because your hair will definitely feel baby smooth after using it. If you do keep up with my videos, then you know that Tresemme conditioner is my favorite. I've been using this product since I transitioned, and I just kept this product around. I know I've switched up some products over time, but I've kept this product because I love it. I love how my hair feels. It's so soft, and my curls look so juicy after using it, but I love it. I probably would never give this product up. It hydrates your curls. I probably should switch over because, like I said, I've noticed my hair is a little dry. But after I wash it, my hair is super soft. I'm not sure if anybody used Tresemme products before, but this one is my favorite. It has hydration curls on the label, on the bottle. I love it. bottle, and this has different blended oils together. I know a lot of girls use tea tree oils and different oils and mix them together. I do love tea tree oil, but to save yourself some time, instead of mixing different oils together, you can just get this bottle here and just warm it up in a microwave or however you do your hot oil treatments. But save yourself some time. Get this from the beauty supply store. It was like $3.99. There you go. So before I get started, I do want to let you guys know, if you haven't done a hot oil treatment before, your hair does have to be a somewhat dry and not damp so the oil can penetrate more. So don't judge me. I couldn't find a bowl, so I'm gonna just put my oil in a cup, and then afterwards I'm just gonna put it in a microwave probably for a few seconds, not even minutes, because you don't want to burn your scalp, okay guys, because you won't have no roots. Okay, but afterwards I'm gonna put it in this little tube because I cannot find my other empty tube. I can't find it, so I'm gonna just put it in here. Yeah, just improv over here, don't judge. So yeah, okay. Oh, it says directions for hair and scalp: wash and towel, dry hair, check. Then pour as you please, warm bottle by using microwave or stove. Squeeze small amount in palm, massage into hand, and lubricate dry hair. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna get as much as I want because I have thick hair, so I don't have time to keep massaging like that. So so you guys already see me transfer it over into this tube. Yes, it says do grow, but it's not do grow. It's a little bit of do grow in there. I'm not gonna lie, I did add a little bit of do grow in here. So, and also it says that you can put this on your body too. I mean, I've already put like olive oil on my body every day, morning and night. So that's why my skin's so glowy. But okay, let's get started. And I definitely need it, guys, because after I wash my hair, you see how dry my hair is. Okay, so my hair is in 4 sections now, so I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it and make sure that it's not too hot so you can test it with, you know, the back of your hand. If you have a baby, you know why that works. Okay, it's warm and it's perfect temperature. Perfect. Ooh. And this is my second time doing this, guys, and I liked the result. I just never used that bottle before, but I had heard good results. So, and make sure you get your ends, especially me, my ends are like super dry. And then make sure your hair feels so soft, like, whoa. I know you're probably like, okay, girl, save some for the rest of your hair. I know. I get product carried away, if y'all know what that means. But it just makes my hair so soft. What really needs it, like I said, is the ends and up here. Right up in here. Stimulate those roots. Y'all, this is making my hair feel so soft though. I love this. I might do this more often. So this is how much I have left over, but I'm just gonna try to apply it around my edges, my ends, just so I know that my hair is getting fully moisturized, because y'all see my hair in the beginning. Again, guys, do not judge me. I cannot find my plastic cap, so I'm gonna use Kroger's plastic bag and I'll put this on my head. So what you have to do is have this on your hair for probably like 5 or 10 minutes. Me, I'm gonna keep it on for 10 minutes and I'm gonna sit under the dryer. Yes, the oil was already warm, but I do like to sit under the dryer because it penetrates your hair and gets that extra shine and moisture that I'm looking for. So, keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are the final results of my hair after using the hot oil treatment. Like you see me earlier, my hair was super dry. Now my curls are juicy and bouncy, and that's the goal that I was looking for, and I love how my hair looks, guys. I would definitely use this hot oil treatment again. Like I said, this is for dry, damaged hair, and my hair was definitely dry. But I do thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.